means innovative because all we are using innovative. Always we are using innovative and innovative. Innovative means something which is very new to, which is very new. Innovation, innovative. This means already the existing system is there and you are adding some of your creative things over there. Already a system is running like face detection, attendance system. This is the attendance system. All the software industry is having this. Our college is also having this. What is that? If I stand in that system, biometric system, our face, they will recognize the face, they'll detect that this is me, and they'll put my attendance the present. So it is totally software based, and the procedure what we are doing is AI ML based. What is AI and what is ML? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, if I tell the innovation of that existing system is face detection by AI ML, now what is innovative of that? You are going to add it, ma'am. Can I do it more extensive way? Why? What? Like I want to do that. A person came in office. Suppose me came, Ajanta Palit. The system, I stood over there. I am standing in front of the system. It is saying me thank you. That means it has recognized me. The system has recognized me. Ajanta Palit, employee code 19. It is displaying thank you means the attendance is over. Now, what is your part of creativity? That you are going to add something there.
Attendance.
After attendance, it will do door lock and unlock. তার মানে কি আমার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা হলো আমি অফিসে এলাম অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিলাম এবং দরজা খুলে গেল অটোমেটিক্যালি I entered to that. Now somebody said, ma'am, I want to introduce that how many persons come. Me came one, then next people came two, so it is counting. How it is counting? Like when it is opening the door, I entered, the next person entered, so that software, that system is recognizing that one person entered, the next person, the face detection is over, it's saying thank you, then its door is opening and the number of people also counting. So the main system was face detection. What are the innovative parts you are adding? Door lock and unlock, and what you are doing? The number of heads counting. So that is called the innovation. So this is I am telling innovative prototype. Now what is the prototype means? Prototype means what is your idea? This is the idea I am telling came by you only. Students are only giving the idea. Now prototype means you have to make a model of that, not the existing things. A model of that. So it can be software model, it can be hardware model, it can be hybrid mode. Software as well as hardware. Okay? So innovative prototype ideation workshop. What is that? Your idea, innovative idea, you are dealing with that. So existing idea, it can be purely innovative. একটা নতুন জিনিস আমি তৈরি করছি, or it can be existing system, you are introducing some, incorporating some of your innovative ideas and making the prototypes of that. Understood? Okay. The next one, what we are doing? What is the Arduino? First tell me Arduino Uno is different. I will tell you what is an Arduino. I told you before that Arduino is a thing. It is the modern topic we are using. Like the existing world, we are designing all the things by the term open source hardware. Have you ever heard of open source hardware? I know you know that as you are in second year. Arijit, tell me what is open source hardware?
It is a part. It is a specific type of hardware which is open to everyone who can tweak
Yes,
They can accessible.
Yes. Open means open. You understand that open to all. Open means public, where the public can use it. That's called open. Okay. And what is that open source hardware? Means that hardware part or the software part. Public can use it. How it will use it? How it will use it? They can study the thing. They can learn the thing. They can use the thing. They can design the thing, and they can sell it also. Okay, in the market. So many things. So many things we can do by this Arduino. So here it is written that, see, it is an open source hardware. You can note down the small terms what we are using. Okay, so whenever you will further do this in the innovation IIC projects and hackathon, participating in the hackathon, and for the Tech Fest project, so you will be knowing all these things. You can recollect this. What is that? So it is an open source hardware and software combined project and users of Unity which designs and manufactures the single board microcontrollers. So focus on that term of microcontroller. This is a very known to you microcontroller. Yes, I will be telling you explaining you the microcontrollers and the microcontroller kit for the digital services. So we all are doing here the digital services by using these things. Okay, so next slide please. So types of Arduino. What are the types Arduino is having? Arduino is having, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in between them. So how many types it is? How many types? 6. তাহলে কি আছে? 6 আছে Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Uno, Arduino Lillipad, Arduino Mega, Arduino Mini, and then Arduino Nano. So 6 types of Arduino is possible, or it can be found here. Now I am focusing on which one? Arduino Uno. Okay, so there are 6 types existing. These all are open source hardware, and they are using what? Microcontroller as a main thing. Microcontroller. Now what is this Arduino Uno is doing? Arduino Uno is that, yes, this is the diagram of Arduino Uno, which is very important. Why? Because there will be using, many of the projects will be using this Arduino Uno. Why? Now there are certain things which is very useful. It is very low cost. Number 1. Number 2 is this is very easily maintenance. This Arduino Uno maintenance korte eto heavy maintenance lage na. Number 3 is the parts of this Arduino Uno. This is easily available in India and everywhere. আমাকে তো মার্কেট অ্যাভেলেবিলিটি হতে পারে, আমি যদি মার্কেটে না পেতে থাকি, if I won't get the things, how I will design on this? And this is very low cost to purchase. Like students, they are not doing any service, so they are using Arduino Uno. Why? Because this is low cost. It's if you for a project, if you want to do a project with us Arduino, which type of Arduino you will find among all these 6 types? Arduino Uno. Why? Because it's a low cost, very easily maintenance, availability of the parts, and the 4th one is user friendly. This is very user friendly. Okay, it is very user friendly. Any lay person you can use it. Like we are telling what Windows are very user friendly rather than Linux and which operating system is very better? Windows. Why? Everybody can use it. Windows, everybody can use it. আমরা এখন কি বলি যে literacy starts not only the books, literacy starts with computer. Now in 21st century, literacy starts with computer. A person who does not know the computer, he or she is compared to as illiterate. So we must know the computer, and to know the computer, we have to know these things. Now in the diagram of Arduino Uno, what are these things? এখানে কি কি আছে? Now we have got the USB plug. Okay, USB plug. Next হচ্ছে we have the 80 mega 328 microcontroller. 80 mega 328 microcontroller is the main thing heart of the system. Yes, that is the heart of the system. This
Attendance.
Is the heart of the system is 18 mega 3.8 microcontroller. Next,
IT
we
আছে,
are
ফিল
using
করে
the
দেবো।
analog
IT
pin.
IT.
তাহলে দিছি।
Analog pin. We are using the digital pin also. We are using the analog pin. We are using the digital pin also.
TC attendance.
Now,
Hey,
0
EC.
to 5.
Ki
Pin number.
AIML attendance. Attendance. Talk about.
Bye.
Hey.
Ma'am, suppose if today we want to go home and try
Hey, slowly.
Ma'am, suppose if today we want to go home and try this, so do we have to first learn C++, C and then work, or Python will also do?
No, you first go. Very good question. Sit down. Hey, she asked a very good question that if I go home, what you will do? From where I will start? You start from step by step. As I told you, like 0, you start from the what is called Arduino. What is that microcontroller? What is the why we are using the microcontroller, not the microprocessor? If you want, I can give you the slide also. This. So you can use that. Afterwards, you take my mobile number and mail ID. I'll be sending. Ask for me. I will be sending this. Now, step by step you go. Otherwise, then you learn the coding of that. Because you first listen to the, learn to the things. What is the hardware part? Then you go for software. And first I want the idea from you. I have been given in the innovation cell, there is an idea, innovative idea. Have you got that?
Yes.
Are you participating to that?
Yes.
How many of you are participating?
Then
So many. So have you thought about that idea? Huh? Innovative it should be? Okay. Now, is there, anybody can share the idea. There's no problem. Anybody can share any idea. Innovative idea, what you also in between. So, multitasking like you. Some people are writing, some people are taking the snaps of the slides. So, but Arduino Uno is not multitasking. It is doing one work, stopping layer by layer it is working. First work it does, then next work starts, then next work starts, next work starts. Okay, all work have been done, but it is not the simultaneously. It is doing one by one. Okay, simultaneous multitasking means simultaneous at a time all the work we are doing. No, it don't do that. It will do one after another. Okay, next slide. Okay, so any question? A lot of questions. I will be continuing Raspberry Pi. Today I will discuss only the Arduino Uno. Then next class I will be discussing the Raspberry Pi also. Okay, very good question. So
এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ব্রেডবোর্ড। এটা দিস ইজ ব্রেডবোর্ড, ইন্টারনালি কানেক্টেড, ভার্টিক্যালি দিস ইজ ভার্টিক্যালি কানেক্টেড, দিস ইজ হরাইজন্টালি কানেক্টেড। মানে এগুলো ভার্টিক্যালি কানেক্ট করা আছে, এগুলো হরাইজন্টালি কানেক্ট করা আছে। বুঝে গেছেন? বাস। এটা এবার হচ্ছে এখানে একটা এলইডি হচ্ছে, এলইডি দিস ইজ এলইডি। এখানে হচ্ছে বড় লেগটা হচ্ছে পজিটিভ, ছোটটা হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ। বড় লেগটা মানে বড় লেগটা হচ্ছে পজিটিভ, ছোট লেগটা নেগেটিভ। বাস। এবার আমরা কানেক্ট করছি। কানেক্ট করার পরে এবার আমি তার সাথে রেজিস্ট্যান্স লাগাতে হবে, কারণ কি এলইডি হচ্ছে 2.5 ভোল্টে চলে, কিন্তু আর্ডিনো থেকে 5 ভোল্ট বেরোয়। এগুলো পরে দেখাবো, লাস্টে দেখাবো, নালে শেষ
একটু
করতে
দেখে নাও এখানে বোর্ডের সঙ্গে কিভাবে কানেকশন হচ্ছে।
এটা হচ্ছে এলইডি, বড় লেগটা হচ্ছে পজিটিভ, ছোটটা হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ। ঠিক আছে, এবার আমরা কানেক্টটা করছি।
ব্রেডবোর্ডটা একটু দেখাও।
ব্রেডবোর্ডটা দেখো।
আচ্ছা 1 সেকেন্ড।
ব্রেডবোর্ডে যে টেম্পোরারি, আচ্ছা আমি এখানে লেখা আছে
ব্রেডবোর্ডটা এক মিনিট দেখে একটু ব্রেডবোর্ডটা জাস্ট 1 সেকেন্ড, আই এম ইন্টারাপ্টিং। দিস ইজ কল্ড ব্রেডবোর্ড। Why it's called braid? Because the perforations of that, it looks like a braid. Braid এর মধ্যে perforations থাকে সেরকম। Now this perforations দেখো এখানে একটা divider আছে। ডিভাইডারটা উপরে দেখো এখানে this is vertically internally connected, this is also vertically internally connected, but this divider after